Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to remove calcium from pool tiles. Calcium buildup, often seen as white, crusty deposits, can detract from your pool's appearance and even damage surfaces. This scaling is typically caused by hard water and imbalanced pH levels. Addressing it promptly is crucial to maintain your pool's beauty and prevent more significant issues down the line. We'll cover various methods to tackle this common problem effectively. For lighter calcium deposits, manual methods are often effective. You can gently scrub the affected tiles with a pumice stone or a stiff brush. For more stubborn spots, apply a specialized calcium remover gel or liquid directly to the scale. Remember to always follow the product instructions carefully and wear appropriate safety gear, such as protective gloves and eyewear, to ensure your safety during the cleaning process. When manual methods aren't enough, more advanced options are available. Pressure washing can be highly effective for removing stubborn calcium, but use caution to avoid damaging the tiles or grout. For very severe or widespread scaling, a professional bead blasting service might be the best solution. This method uses fine media to gently abrade the calcium without harming the tile surface, restoring your pool's pristine look. Preventing calcium buildup is easier than removing it. Regularly test and balance your pool's pH and alkalinity levels to keep minerals dissolved. Using a water softener or a scale inhibitor product can also significantly reduce the formation of new deposits. Consistent maintenance will save you time and effort in the long run. Also, for a great way to make meal prep easy, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.